You're going to turn into a majestic tiger, Vyaghrasana. Your hands are shoulder width apart again. This time we come up with a bent leg. And it's all right if your back is moving with it. Don't need to maintain that straight back. You're coming up with a bent leg, knee in line with the hip, foot facing up towards the ceiling. You can turn around over your shoulder, have a look at your leg, and then look up. And gently come back down. Draw the knee in towards the chest. Try and kiss your knee. Gently bring your knee back down. Let's try it with the other leg. Bring your left leg up. Sole facing the ceiling, sole facing the sky. Knee in line with the hip. Have a look at your hip. Have a look at your leg. And look up towards the sky. Holding here for a few seconds. Chest nice and open. Breathing freely. Pressing away from the floor with your hands. And gently draw the knee in towards your chest. Release the leg. Let's try that one more time. With the right leg, moving a little faster, drawing the knee in, stretching the leg back up. One last time. Stretch the leg back up and release. Trying that on the other side. Left leg coming up, look up towards the sky. Really use your stomach to pull your knee in towards your chest. Stretch back up. One more time. Draw the knee in. And release the leg. Open your knees to the width of your mat and stretch forward. Rest your forehead on the mat just for a few breaths. Keep watching Yoga with AJ and remember to subscribe to our channel.